Hey, what is up guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can organize and rename applications in the Start menu All Apps list. Let's go! To start, you go to the Start menu icon or the Windows icon, others called it. Then right click on any app. I would choose and right click on Photoshop CC 2018. I right click on it or double tap on it. Then it gives me more options. Then I navigate to more. And finally, I click on Open File Location. Then it loads File Explorer. Okay, once File Explorer opens, you will see these. All the application shortcuts for the Start menu All Apps list. Organizing all the apps in the Start menu All Apps list is to rename every one of them. Depending on your taste, how you can organize it, whether in numbers, by renaming the app in the form of number first, then the app name, or you can do it alphabetically, but by naming it only by the name of the app, not including the company name of the app. For example, I would rather name the app Photoshop CC 2018 because that's how I used to know it. So I renamed the app Photoshop CC 2018. Then I click on the blank space in the File Explorer, or you can hit enter and voila, done! So let's check it out in the Start menu All Apps list. Right now, it would be named as Photoshop CC 2018. And there you have it! It's now named as Photoshop CC 2018. So that's how you can organize your files in the Start menu All Apps list. I hope this helps you. Also check out my other videos. And please subscribe to my channel. This is Dee from Deelawg TV. Peace.